Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be working on an iPhone 7. As you can see, the screen is badly cracked and we are going to replace the cracked screen with a new screen. Usually there are two screws at the bottom part of the phone that we'll have to remove before taking off the screen. But because the phone screen is so damaged, the screws are not there, which make our job easier. There are three cables from the screen which are connected to the phone motherboard. One cable is at the top of the screen, which is connected next to the front camera, and the other two are connected in the middle of the phone motherboard. We will have to remove those cables, take off the broken screen, and put on the new screen. Please like, share and follow our page for more video. Thank you.